Hi everyone. In this video, we'll let you know how to extract text from images in Windows. First of all, open Microsoft Store. Search Power Toys. Click Microsoft Power Toys and click Install on the next screen. Please wait while it is downloading. Hold your breath until it is installing. Click on the Start button and search Power Toys and open it. Scroll to the bottom of Power Toys. Make sure that this text extractor feature is turned on, and if not, then turn it on. Open an image from which you want to extract text and press Win button plus Shift plus T, and then select the area you want to extract text from using mouse. Then open a blank notepad and press Ctrl button plus V to paste extracted text. This is a very simple tool to extract text from images in Windows 10 or Windows 11. If you have any trouble with it, make sure to use comment section. Subscribe the channel if you like this video. Thank you for watching this video.